Hi, and welcome to Sales Channels powered by M2E Cloud. Whether you're an e-commerce entrepreneur or a retail store owner, keeping track of your inventory can be a challenging task. That's where M2E Sales Channels' smart online inventory management system comes into play. Forget about under and overstocking risks. Say hello to optimized inventory control and automatic inventory updates everywhere you sell. Gone are the days of manual and tedious stock revisions. With an inventory management system, you'll increase efficiency by automating inventory updates. Simplify and speed up routine quantity changes. The app lets you choose how you want to update stock information on eBay, Amazon, or Walmart. Sync inventory based on your Shopify or BigCommerce store data or through an imported CSV file in the catalog. Or connect your external software to M2E Sales Channels through API. The app will retrieve your products and keep their stock up to date on channels. Imagine selling your products on multiple sales channels simultaneously. It can be a nightmare trying to keep track of inventory levels on each platform, which will take plenty of your time and effort. That's where an inventory management system can be a game changer. You can instantly and easily sync products so their quantity is always accurate and up to date across all your platforms. M2E Sales Channels imports your listings and links them to items from your store or catalog. Once the inventory is linked, you can enable synchronization for several items or all items from a specific channel at once. So whenever a product is sold on the channel, the app will automatically update its stock in the system, whether it is your Shopify or BigCommerce store or your catalog. Have you ever experienced the frustration of running out of stock for a popular product or having too much stock at hand? An inventory management system will help you eliminate these risks. Optimize your stock availability depending on the channel. With a flexible selling policy, you can reserve a specific quantity of your product from the total quantity to prevent overselling or to handle returns. Limit the stock sent to channel by indicating the quantity of the selected item to display, sending only a part of the available stock. Efficient warehouse management is crucial for a successful business. With an inventory management system, you can easily control warehouse operations and get real-time visibility of your inventory. Sales Channels allows you to set up and manage warehouses right in your catalog. View and manage existing Shopify warehouses if your data source is set to Shopify. Add new warehouses and adjust stock levels depending on the warehouse if your data source is set to catalog. Making accurate restocking decisions is crucial for any business. By analyzing real-time sales data across all your sales channels, you can make informed decisions about when and how much to restock. This ensures that you always have sufficient inventory on hand, reducing the risk of stockouts and missed sales opportunities. The app provides actual sales performance data for your channel products so you can keep track of inventory and predict its demand. Lead your business to the future of e-commerce with M2E Cloud today.